Okay, in this 3-minute video by Don Norris, learnsilver.com is my website. dnorris@fri.com is my email address. dnorris@frii.com, and you can give me a call at 303-517-1068 if you have a question. Well, here I demonstrated how you could solder on a wire by placing a piece of solder here and having it flow all the way up. Then we'll cut that off. But what if you decide you want to take a wire and put it on here where you can have it running off the edge? I'm going to demonstrate that in this 3-minute video. So we took a piece of 18 gauge wire. We fluxed both pieces. I fluxed the back side, of course, of that wire. And then I'm going to take a little piece of solder, covered it up here with the sheet, put it over here. And I'm going to use the Nudget that I'm known for, which is just a solder pick, but it's a pencil with a T-pin in the end of it, with the point cut off. So I can pick up that solder and paint a little bit on that silver wire. So everything's been fluxed. I'm going to pick up the solder, just ball it up, let it flow up onto your T-pin, start heating your wire. Got a little bit too hot a flame here, but I'm going to make it work. Got to heat the whole wire, and then just paint some solder on there. You won't need much, just put it all along the edge there. Okay, and let it flow good. Turn that wire over, place it where you want it. Nice thing about Aquaflux, it gets nice and sticky while you got the heat on it. So I can put that wire exactly where I want it. I'm going to heat up the tweezers since the wire was stuck to my tweezers. And I think that's good enough for demonstration purposes. Then just heat the whole piece. I'm watching the flux so that when it gets a little bit clear, then it's going to turn this brown syrupy color. Then it'll glow a little bit orange. Then you can go to your solder joint. So even on copper, I recommend that you heat the whole thing. And then let the solder flow all the way around the wire. There it goes. Now that wire is completely soldered all the way around it. It's completely soldered.